Hello, my friend. Welcome back to English Flow Daily. Let me ask you something. Something simple. Do you drink one big bottle of water just once a week and then stop? No, of course not. You drink a little every day, again and again, because your body needs it. Your English is the same. It grows when you feed it a little every single day. Many learners think they need a big study day, a long lesson, hours of work. But the truth is much simpler and much kinder. Small practice, done often, changes everything. Today, I will show you how a short daily routine can slowly reshape your English, make it smoother, make it more natural, and make it part of your life. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. Just follow my voice, step by step, and let your English breathe a little today. So, why does this small daily practice matter so much? Let me tell you. Your brain loves patterns. It learns by seeing and hearing the same kind of language again and again. When you meet a sentence many times, your brain begins to relax. It stops fighting. It starts recognizing. At the beginning, speaking English feels slow. You pause, you search for words, you translate in your head. But when you touch English every day, even for a short moment, something soft begins to happen. Your mouth learns the movement. Your tongue learns the rhythm. Your mind learns the flow. Slowly, everything becomes more natural. And you feel something new? You feel lighter. You feel safer. You begin to trust yourself. That little confidence grows each time you show up, not once a week, not once a month, but a little every day. This is the real power of daily practice, quiet, gentle, but strong. When you practice English every day, even just a little, 3 beautiful things begin to happen. First, your listening becomes sharper. You start to notice sounds you never heard before. You hear how words connect, how they rise, how they fall. At first it feels small, but one day you realize, oh, I understand this part now. That moment feels good, right? Second, your speaking becomes smoother. Not perfect, not fast, just smoother. Your mouth remembers the shape of common phrases. Your voice feels more free, and sentences come out with less stress. You don't push the language anymore. It slowly begins to flow. And third, your English becomes familiar, like a friend you see every day. You stop feeling scared of it. You stop feeling heavy when you think about practicing. Instead, you feel calm because English is no longer far away from you. It's right here, part of your day, part of your routine. These 3 changes grow quietly, but together, they transform the way you learn. Now you may ask, okay, but what can I actually do in 10 or 15 minutes? Let me give you a few simple ideas. You can choose one or mix them, whatever feels right for you. You can start by listening to a short English moment, maybe a tiny podcast, maybe a small story, maybe a simple dialogue. You don't need to catch every word. Just let the sound touch your ears. Let it warm up your mind. You can also shadow one short phrase. Shadowing means you listen and you speak at the same time, like an echo, like a shadow. Here is a gentle one you can try with me. I'll say it. Then you join me. I feel ready today. I feel ready today. I feel ready today. Good. When you repeat with the speaker again and again, your mouth learns the rhythm and it becomes easier next time. Another thing you can do is read a tiny piece of English, a short message, a small dialogue, even a simple description. Read slowly. Don't stop too much. Just enjoy meeting the language. Or, if you prefer writing, write a few sentences about your day. Nothing big. Something like, I woke up early today. I made my breakfast. I felt good. Writing helps you organize your thoughts and put them into English. And there is one more powerful habit: talking to yourself out loud. Yes, talking to yourself. You can do it while cooking, while walking, while getting dressed. Just describe what you are doing. I'm opening the window. I'm getting my bag. I'm leaving the house. These simple lines train your brain to think in English. Any of these small actions, done with a calm heart, can change your English in only 10 to 15 minutes a day. So, what happens after you practice a little today? Do you suddenly speak perfect English? No, of course not. But something real, something small, begins to grow. After one day, you feel a little proud. You think, yes, I touched English today. Maybe you understand one new phrase. Maybe you say one sentence more clearly. It's small, but it's real progress. And your mind remembers that feeling. After 1 week, something changes inside you. 7 days in a row, 7 days of listening, reading, speaking, writing. Your brain begins to relax with English. You don't translate every word anymore. You guess meanings, and many times you are correct. You feel a little lighter, a little faster, a little more comfortable. After 1 month, everything feels more familiar. English is no longer a stranger. You know more words. You speak with fewer pauses. You don't check the dictionary every moment. You still make mistakes, of course, but you don't feel afraid of them. You think, I can do this. I'm improving. I'm growing. That confidence doesn't appear in one big day. It grows slowly, like a small light getting brighter. A little more each morning. This is what 1 day, 1 week, 1 month of gentle practice can do for you. Let me share a few simple ideas, things that can help you stay on track and make your daily practice easier. You can start by making a small checklist. Write the days of the week and write what you did each day. Maybe you listened, maybe you shadowed, maybe you wrote a few sentences. When you see your progress on paper, you feel proud and you want to continue. You can also set a short timer, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, nothing more. Sometimes we say, I have no time today. But you do have 10 minutes, right? Tell yourself, I will practice only until the timer ends. You might stop, or you might feel good and continue a little more. Another helpful idea is choosing the same time each day. Morning, evening, during lunch, on the bus, while walking. When you practice at the same moment every day, it becomes a small habit, just like drinking water, just like brushing your teeth. And here is something important. Make your practice enjoyable. Choose things you like. If you enjoy food, read a recipe in English. If you love travel, watch a short travel clip. If you like music, sing a slow English song. When learning feels pleasant, your brain wants more. Also, keep your tools ready. Save a podcast episode, keep a short story open, leave your notebook on the table. When everything is easy to reach, it becomes easy to start. These little tricks make daily English simple, gentle, and something you can keep for a long time. And here is something many learners forget. Your English grows faster when you remove the pressure. Yes, remove the pressure. You don't need to be perfect today. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. All you need is a small moment of contact with English, a gentle touch every single day. You can even make your practice softer. For example, choose one tiny phrase for the whole week. A short phrase, something simple, like, I'm getting ready. Use it during your day. Say it when you wake up. Say it before you leave the house. Say it when you prepare your bag. This tiny phrase becomes part of your real life, and that is powerful learning. You can also create small English corners in your day. Maybe your English corner is the first 5 minutes after breakfast, or the moment you sit on the bus, or the quiet time before you sleep. When your brain knows, this is my English moment, it feels calm and ready. Another gentle trick is pairing English with something you already enjoy. If you like stretching in the morning, play a short English clip while you stretch. If you enjoy cleaning your room, listen to a simple dialogue while you clean. If you love making coffee, repeat one English sentence while you wait for the water to boil. These tiny connections turn English into something warm, something natural, something you don't have to force. And remember this, every time you show up for English, even for 1 minute, you are building trust with yourself. You are telling your brain, I can learn, I can keep going, I can grow. That quiet trust is one of the strongest tools you will ever have. Consistency is like caring for a small seed. You give it a little water each day. You don't see big changes at first, but slowly, quietly, it begins to grow. Your English works the same way. A few minutes today, a few minutes tomorrow, and one day you look back and think, wow, I've really grown. So keep going, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. I'm David, and this is English Flow Daily. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.